Hello and welcome to Gatwick Airport, of all places. I've just dropped off my parents as they're going on a 2-week holiday whilst I'm stuck at home working. And I'm now on my way to Goodwood for the Peter Saywell track day, which is always more than just a track day, it's a supercar show in itself now. Because as well as Peter Saywell's collection, tons of other supercars turn up. So it's 8:30 now, so I should hopefully get there at 9:30. I think I'm about an hour away. As the more eagle-eyed or people who are blessed with a normal pair of eyes would have noticed, I'm not in my MG. I'm in my dad's BMW, so it will be faster, more comfortable, easier to drive, cheaper. But I would rather be in my car, for obvious reasons. Right, I don't know where I'm going. And I'm just about to be overtaken by a Ferrari 360. Challenge Stradale? I'm catching up with that. Come on! Oh, damn it. Damn it, no. I'm not catching up with that. As you may be able to see, on my right is a wall. And if you're familiar with Goodwood, you know that Goodwood has walls. Walls such as the wall on my right. Oh my god, be quiet. Basically, it's the infamous kind of flint wall effect that Goodwood's walls have. In other words, I've arrived. There's Goodwood House. It's pouring with rain now. Oh my god! Hello, here for the Saywell track day?
Okay, yeah, just spectating.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Well, follow these guys, they can park up the Paddock briefly right there.
Okay, thank you. I missed the accelerations. Blast it! Whoa! Hello! Do you think I can squeeze in there? That'll do.
What miserable weather. Let's see what we've got here at least. R34. And quite a familiar R33 over there. VTSV! And here is the Mansory 488. Its number plate is V loud for very loud, but it's not very loud. Maybe it's ironic. Oh my god, a Cobra! Yeah, it's not very loud to have a plate like that. And here we have some of the cars that will be going on the track. So we can get some track action. Deep in the woods of Paddock of Goodwood, we find a wild VTSV. What's he filming, I wonder? Let's go see. Take a closer look. You don't want to scare him off. Approach with caution. Da-da. Da-da. And now Super Veloce Racing have turned up in a Noble M600, Murcielago SV, and a Diablo, that's the Sean, and a Diablo SV. And apparently there's a convoy of at least 30 cars going to turn up soon. Well, that's not them, is it? That's just a GT3 RS. And apparently the convoy was leaving from around Gatwick area, so I could have joined it. So that sucks. Best number plate ever. Seems like our convoys are coming bit by bit. 700 brake XJ220 with the S conversion by Tom Wilkinshaw Racing. Lives down the road from me. Oh, he got a Hurricane 458, 355, GTR. Oh, I followed that on the motorway. Yeah, I overtook this GTR on the motorway on my way to Gatwick. Little did I know he was on the way to the convoy meet point. And this Challenge Stradale overtook me on the motorway. There he is, Noble. Why didn't I know about this convoy? convoy that arrived is now parked up in their own little spot. We're going to have a look at what's arrived.
And the sun's coming out.
Well, it's not really.
Well, it's trying.
So the rain has come back. Sean's running because it's a mural.
Oh, he's going, yeah. How much would you say that was worth? What they do is...
So he's being careful not to reach 88. So as you can probably tell, it's raining again. So we're going to head to the track and see some of the cars driving around, see how well they can control their agility and traction around the final chicane. Might get a bit of slippery action, maybe. Bring some excitement back into the day. Such a shame about this weather. I think that's confirmed why he was going so slowly.
Yeah, it's like the slowest step out sideways moment I think I've ever seen.
Oh, the action. Oh.
Yeah, I was like, oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
Push it. Oh no!
The rain's got even worse, and it's now time for the parade lap at lunchtime. We're going to see quite a few more cars just going to do a lap or two on the track. It's such a shame about this weather. It's amazing it's July, British summertime.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we're not going out at all.
And the cars are now lined up on the start grid. All the crowds are hiding in the paddock because they don't want to get wet. There's a few photographers, but this is quite a nice sight. This is one of the highlights of the day, of a Peter Saywell track day. And now we need to wait like an hour till they actually go on track. This is horsepower hunters.
It's wet.
Just look at that scene, that looks incredible. They're now going out on track. Oh, they're waving at me. Hello. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah. To make it huge next year.
So, Mr. VTSV, your favourite car is parked right next to you.
Ah, it is. Oh, just.
That number plate?
Yeah.
Well, it's wrong.
This is Mad Mike. He doesn't have rules. Go on, run! Go on! I know you want to run! Go on!
The Murcielago SV's leaving. I want to get it through this tunnel. You're gonna miss it! You're gonna miss it! So it's come to the end of the day. A lot of cars, it's all binned out. Everyone's kind of left. The Mansfield 488 is still here, 918. There's still cars going on the track, but it's pretty boring. Just I got a bit of that. The parade was cool though. I'm off now to look at a car to maybe buy. So that's all exciting. I won't say what it is because I don't know if I'm going to buy it or not. But it's not too far from here, so I'm going to leave a bit earlier than I would have otherwise. But I hope you enjoy this video. Taking one for the team of classic cars. Let's go find the supercars.